Hey everybody, this is going to walk you through the process of getting a document from Canvas into GoodNotes. So first thing we need to do is we want to open up GoodNotes and we're going to find the notebook where we would like the document to be saved. So I'm going to be doing a math test this morning, so I've already got this math folder, and this is a current math folder, so that's where I want to save it. If you don't have the right folder, you could hit that new button like that, and then create a new notebook, give it a name, find the cover and the paper that you want. But since I already have one, I'm going to go ahead and tap into that math notebook. There's the cover, there's the first blank page. So I'm going to be looking at the first blank page here, and then I'm ready to go into Student Canvas to go find the document I'm looking for. So this is what my student looks like. I'm going into Distance Learning. Remember, we set the nickname for that a while ago. We're going to tap on Friday. That's where we're going to find this document. You can see our partial list of what's happening here today. And right down in the middle, I know that that math review link, Mr. Young already told me, that's the document I'm looking for. So I'm going to tap on that math review. It's going to open up this math review exam that we're supposed to be taking. So now I need to get it from here in Canvas over to GoodNotes where I can actually work on it with my stylus and my pens. So I'm going to hit that Share button. It's that one in the top right hand corner, and it pops up this menu, and now you can see one of the first options there is Copy to GoodNotes. So I'm going to tap on that one. You can see you get this menu, and it's going to ask you where exactly do you want this test to go. Do you want it to go before the page you're looking at or after, or do you want it to be the last page? Now, I already know that this test is a few pages long, so it's going to put all of those pages wherever I tell it here. I'm going to say after the page that I'm on, because I know there's one more page after this, and I think it's kind of nice to have some blank pages here and there. So after looks good, fourth grade review, import to current document. That's exactly what I want. I don't want to start a new document because then it will be all on its own in a new notebook. That's not what we want. So we did it, and it looks like the test is here. We can always tap that grid in the top left-hand corner to take a look at our whole book, and look at that. I can see all 5 pages of the test right there in between the 2 blank pages. That's exactly what I want. So now I can tap on the first page. I can make sure I'm on my pen or pencil. I can pick a color that's a little bit different, maybe like a pencil color, and then I can zoom in to my first problem, grab my trusty stylus, and get started. 5,200 minus 2,677. Okay, well, we got to do some borrowing. Yep. So on and so forth. Okay, so you can go ahead and complete the exam. Don't forget to do all the pages that you can. Okay. Obviously, if you need to skip some, that's fine. When you're done, this is where it gets important. Now we are ready to submit this assignment back to our teacher. So here's what's going to happen. In order to submit this assignment, you're going to hit this Share button again on the top left in GoodNotes. We're going to hit that one. And we can see we have options of collaborate. Well, we don't want to link. Export this page. Well, that would only send this very last page of the test. That's not enough. We want to export all of this thing, right? So we're going to export all. We like it to be a PDF, so that red square PDF is highlighted. Otherwise, we don't need to do anything here. We're just going to click Export. And then it's going to tell us what we want to do with it. So this is the important part. Your teacher is going to have told you how to be turning in your assignments. Some of you might be turning it in on Student, so you would tap that. Some of you might be turning them into a folder on Drive. You would tap that. And then find exactly how you need to turn your work in. So that's how you complete a document in GoodNotes and then export it out to your teacher. Good luck.